Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Wingstop birthday reward. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the App Store, and then on the search bar simply type in Wingstop, and then once it loads, tap on the app and then tap on the get button or install button according to your device. And once it's downloaded, simply open up the app, and once you open up the app, here what you need to do is create an account and re-enroll in the Wingstop rewards program. Then enter your birthday during the sign up process or in your profile settings. This ensures you're eligible for the birthday reward. Now, Wingstop typically sends birthday rewards like free wings or discounts during your birthday month. You will receive the reward as an email or app notification. Be sure to check your inbox or notifications around your birthday. The reward may include free wings, fries, or other items depending on the promotion. Review the terms such as expiration dates or minimum purchase requirements. Add the reward to your cart when ordering online or through the app. If ordering in store, mention your birthday reward and provide your account information. Ensure you redeem your reward before it expires, typically within a specific period after your birthday. So these are a couple of steps that you can do. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.